Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to explain what is method in Java because this concept is very important for fresher and intermediate level as well. Because if you know this concept, why and how and when we are going to use this method in our Java code, that means your confidence level will be what increased. Okay, so guys, please concentrate entire video. What I'm going to explain is going to be very interesting. Okay, and the guys who came first time, please subscribe my channel guys. Okay, and share among your friends. Okay, because you will get more video for your understanding purpose or your knowledge sake as well. Right guys, so guys, without any further delay I will start. The topic is method in Java. So guys, see, I have created one document about method in Java. So first I will explain what is method and types of method and some interview question as well. Okay, so this is a continuation video of last that already I have started at Java variable. So in this video I am going to explain method. In coming video I will explain what is static method, what is non-static method. So many video I will bring in front of you, but in this video I will explain all about what is method and types of method, and I will explain with one code base as well. So I see, if anyone they will ask you what is method in Java, then directly you can tell to them. So method is a group or block of code. What guy? Method is a group or block of code which take input from the user, then it processed and give the output. This definition gap we need to tell to respective people if they are going to ask this question. It may be an interviewer or it may be anyone. So guys, and second thing, method runs only when we call it guy. So if we are going to create any method, so guys, if he will call, then only it can what execute and it will perform your what operation. That means guys, if you created the method, if you didn't call, that didn't make sense. So if you are going to create any method in Java, if you will call, only you can perform their operation, we can perform the result. That thing you should also keep in mind guys. Second thing, method runs only when we call it guys. One question maybe interview asks, what why function is called method in Java? Because function generally we are going to use in our what C++. What is the meaning of function and method here? So guys, what we know, in C++ we can create a function anywhere, either in the class or outside of the class. But in the Java, if you are going to create a method, definitely it will create inside the what class only. That is the main difference, function and method. So function generally we are going to use in the C++. That thing we are going to create inside and outside of the class function. But method guy, if you are going to create method in Java, definitely this should be created inside the class. Right guys? I hope you understood. Okay, then types of method, right? Generally we have two types of method. One is predefined method and second is user defined method. Predefined method means that method which already given by the Java, right? Just you can see an example, println, which available in our system class. Sort method guy, which available in our arrays class. Next int, which available in our scanner class. Add method in collection guy, right? So sqrt means squared is available in our math class guy. So these all are the methods which are defined by the Java. Okay, that's called predefined. We are not going to define, right? Only we are going to utilize that. That is called predefined method guy. Okay, and then user defined method, we know very well as per our requirement. Suppose if you want add two number, definitely you need to create add method. If you want to display something, that means you will create display method and you will create what logic or block of statement inside the block, right? That is a user defined method, that method which is defined by us, that is called a user defined method, right? Okay guys, then Next question is why we use method. That is main important question, guys. This question may asked in the interview room by the interviewer. So why we use method? What a need of method? So I see if we use method, that means it will decrease the lines of code. Okay, it will decrease the lines of code. I will show with an example within program how it is decreasing the lines of code, guys. Then second is readability. So if you're going to use the method, if you're going to create the method in your Java application, that means your readability will be what more yet visible. Okay, so I will explain also what is readability. So in a same class, if you're going to create 3 to 4 method, so each and every method works as per what is requirement, as per their requirement. Suppose if you're going to display something, you are going to get display method. If you're going to find out add to number, then you're going to get add method. Suppose if you're going to call some other thing, some other purpose, then you're going to get some other method. So guys, each and every method define their functionalities. As per their functionalities, we are going to create the method. That's why guys, it is more readability if we are going to create any method but inside your class. Guys, repetition. So if we want to call more than 2 times, 3 times, 5 times the same method, then guys, repetition call will be what there. Okay guys. So guys, then next point, rules of method. Guys, rules of method means how we are going to create a method. See guys, if you're going to create a method, that means what you need to know. So guys, you need to know guys, first you need to provide a definition. Definition means guys, so I will add this place guys, definition, right? Definition means guys, just like you can mention also not this place guys. 1 minute. Definition means first I will explain guys what are rules of method. So definition means you need to write your method, right? So first you need to write return type, then what method name, then inside the method name you need to write the logic, the statement of block, right? Block of the statement you need to write. Correct guys? Yes or no? And in the method parameter you can pass what your input value also. Okay, this is the rule first. So first you need to define your method, right? After defining the method, you need to call the method, right? Where you need, right guys? That thing you should know. And then guys, last point, so syntax of method guys. What is syntax of method, right? Syntax of the method. So what is syntax of the method guys? I will explain this thing as well. Concentrate here. So guys, see, syntax of the method means first you should have return type guys. Yes or no? Return type. So what type of return value this method is going to return? So guys, return type you should have must this thing. Return type guys. Then what? Method name guys. Guys, then method name, it is also important. Without method name we can't create any method, right guys? Then after that you need to pass the parameter of the method, right? So guys, this is what this is guys, what parameter guys, this is the parameter. I can write here, this is the parameter, right guys? But this parameter is optional. This parameter is optional guys, right? This parameter is optional, right guys? This return type and method name, this return type and guys method name is what compulsory guys. Without method name or return type we can't create any method. Okay, so guys, this is compulsory. Okay, this is compulsory guys. This is return type and method name, it is compulsory. Okay, this is compulsory guys. So keep in mind guys, so this method name and what return type of any method whenever you're going to create, that is compulsory. And guys, this one parameter, that is guys optional. That is guys optional. It depends up to you. You're going to pass or not. You're going to pass or not. This is optional guy. But inside that, suppose this is the guy, what, block of a statement. This is a block of a statement. You can assume this is what, block of a statement. Block of a statement guy. So it is logic, you can say. Whatever the logic you are going to write, that is called block of a statement guy. So guy, you can see here. So this is our guy syntax of the method in Java. So return type, method name, and parameter. So parameter is optional, and return type and method name is compulsory. You need to write, and inside the block you need to write the logic, what the functionalities you are going to implement. That thing you need to write inside the method block, right? So guys, this is our complete theoretical knowledge about the method. If you want to know the method concept, that means this all the point you should keep in mind, then you will perfect in method creation guys. Now guys, I will create one method and I will run the application in front of you, then we'll see how this method is working guys. Good guys? Okay. So guys, see, we'll start one program. So how we are going to create the method and how we are going to call this method. Okay, then we'll come to know what entire theoretical knowledge in our code base. Yes or no? So guys, first, already have created one package, com.app.java variable, right? Last video. So guys, in this package only, I am going to create one class. Right guys? So guys, the class name should be what, as per your requirement. Okay, as per your requirement. So guys, in this example, I am going to explain method related things. That's why I will give the name as method example, right? Method, what, method in Java, method in Java example. Okay, method in Java example. We should have one main method, then click finish button. So guys, we can see here we got one class along with our main method, right? Great. So guys, see, first I will tell you so how we are going to create one method. Yes or no? How we are going to create one method. So guys, see, I will create, right, one method again. Suppose if you want to display something, if you want to print your channel name, suppose if I want to print our channel name, so guys, I can take here at void what, display. So guys, void is our return type, display is our method name, what I have mentioned in our what, theoretical knowledge. So return type and class name must should be there whenever if we are going to create any method. Then guys, this is a method parameter, right? So it's optional guys, you can pass or you cannot pass, right? This is up to you. So this is a method what, template, method definition, method structure, you can say. So whenever if you are going to define any method in your class, that means you need to follow this thumb rule. So first you should have return type, it may be void, it may be in return type. Okay, and then guys, your method name should be there. So this is a display, this is a method name guys. Inside this method, inside this parameter, method parameter, you can pass your parameter, right guys? If you, this is optional guys, you can pass or you cannot pass, right? It's up to you. Now inside this block, method block, you need to write your statement, block of statement, what you want, what is your requirement, that thing you need to write inside the block of this method, display method, right? So guys, see, suppose if I'm going to write one what, print statement. So guys, sys out, what again, sys out, right? That is system.out.println, correct? Where in this I am going to write our channel name. So guys, Java, right? Mind Techie. Right guys, I have written our channel. Guys who didn't subscribe as of now my channel, please watch the video and also subscribe guys. If you are going to subscribe and if you are sharing my channel among your friends, among your circle, definitely it will boost my motivation, because I will think you people are giving support me, right? Please guys, if you didn't subscribe till now, please subscribe and share this channel among your friends and in your circle as well. So guys, so I'm going to print one statement, Java Mind Techie channel. Okay guys, see, this is guys block of statement. So guys, don't confuse. What I'm going to explain is very clear and very what simple manner. So guys, this is the block of a statement. If you are hearing any places what is block of statement, that is guys inside the method whatever you are going to write, it may be logic, it may be functionality, that is guys called block of a statement. Block of statement. So guys, don't confuse what is block of statement. Block of statement is nothing inside the method body what you are going to write. It may be functionality byte, it may be logic, it may be anything. Okay, that is called a block of a statement. I hope you understood. So guys, after writing this, okay, if I want to call display method, guys see, if I am giving here display, right guys, I am calling this display method. Right, I am calling this display method. See guys, what is mentioning here? What is mentioning here? Why it's error coming here? Change display to a static. Change display to a static. What it does mean guys? So guys, this type of things you should know if you are learner, if you are fresher, right? If you are learner, if you are first time you are going to learn Java concept, right? If you are a fresher, so guys, first you should know all the error things. And guys, don't hesitate, don't confuse if you are seeing any error. If you are seeing any error in your code, don't confuse guys. Okay, don't confuse, don't what hesitate. So what will be happen if any error is coming? So you need to think why this error is coming. You need to find the root cause. If you will find the root cause of respective error, then your knowledge will be increased guys. In next time, if such type of issue if they come, then you will think very proper manner, right? Okay, this type of error already I have got earlier. So what the solution for that, you can find it very easily. Yes or no? So guys, don't hesitate, don't confuse if you will see any error in your code guys. So already I have seen guys, this is one issue, this is a red button, right? So what it mentioned guys, so change display to static. What it does mean, I will explain here guys. See, so guys, see, this void display is non-static method. Yes or no? The void display is a non-static method. As of now, I didn't add any static keyword before this method. Yes or no? Yes, because this is guy non-static method guy. So I will explain in coming video. Okay, what is difference between a static method and non-static method? The scope is changed guy. I will explain in coming video. Okay, don't confuse. But this time I will explain shortly. So what we can understand guy. So this is line number 9. This is guy non-static method, because we didn't create here any static keyword with this method guy. But you can see line number 5, this is main method, but by default main method is static. Okay, so guys, we cannot call our non-static method from a static context. You got it guys? So guys, we cannot call our non-static method from the static context. So what it I mean, there are two approaches. So if you want to call non-static method from our static method, that means you need to create the object of respective class, then you can call with the reference to the non-static method. And second case, you may make your non-static method as a static. If you can make as a, if I can make it a static, see, it's removed guys. Why? Because now both the method, this method display method also static and main method also static. then directly you can call with the, right? Because both are in what, same scope, static. But as of now, I don't want to do this. So that what I can do, so I need to create, get I need to create object, right, of the method in Java example class. Guys, see how I am going to create the object. See guys, in this main method I am going to create an object, right, equals to what, new, our method in Java example, right? We have created one object. Correct guys? Yes. Guys, I created one object. Guys, if you have created the object, that means you need to call with the help of reference, right? So guys, reference dot display. Then you can see guys, your error has removed. Your error has removed. Yes or no? Your error has yet removed. Correct guys? So guys, in main method, what we have done, we have created one object. See guys, if you want to call non-static method from a static context, that means you should create first object of the respective class. So same way guys, I have created one object. Yes or no? So after creating the object, we find out the reference, right? So after creating the object from this reference, we can call our non-static method reference dot display. So guys, if we can write this thing, then we are able to print the result Java mind Techie. What guys? We can able to print Java mind Techie guys. So guys, see, I am running the application in front of you. You will see result. It's coming expected or not guys. See, run as Java application. You can see guys, Java mind Techie. Result is coming. Yes or no? Result is coming. Guys, that means what we have understood. So how we are going to write any method in our class and how we are going to call. Okay guys, this is guys first what our scenario. Guys, now I will tell you how it is readability. I mentioned here guys. So after creating the our method, so second point I have mentioned here how it is readability, right? So guys, see, readability. So I will explain this term guys. What is the meaning of readability? So guys, we'll come here. So guys, see, if I will create one more method guys, if I will create one more method, or don't worry, I will create this place only. See, if I create one more method guys, see, void add. See guys, so you should keep the method name in such a way that means it what understand, so what is functionality of respective method. See, if I have written here void display, that means we can understand, okay, this method is displaying something. Yes or no? If we are going to write add method, so what it does mean guys, it means we are adding some number. We can add two number, right? If you're going to, if requirement came, you need to add two number, that means your method name should be in such a way, you need to create the method name in such a way so it will what, understandable, it will make sense. Okay, so what this method does, so as per I have written here void add method. So with the seeing this name add method, you can understood, okay, this method will does addition operation. Yes or no? So guys, inside the method you can create some variable. Int a equals to suppose 10 I have created, right? And b equals to 20 I have created, right? I have added guys int a equal to what, 10, and what, or what you can do, and b equals to 20, right? I have created guys two variable, right? Int a equal to what, 10, and in b equal to 20, right? And guys, this thing if I want to print, right, want to print the addition, so guys you can write in this way, so sum of two number is, yes no guys, sum of two number is what, sum of two number is what, a plus b. Yes no guys, So guys, if you are going to write in this way, that means it will perform addition operation, right? It will perform addition operation, correct? It will perform addition operation, correct? And it will print the result, guys. So guys, what I need to do? So we need to do, guys, we need to call the respective method as well, just like display method. So guys, what I can do here, so we can call, guys, already we have created object of this class. So guys, ref dot add method we can call, right? So already we have ref dot add method, guys, and we can run the application. We'll see here this method is calling or not. This method is calling or not. So that means what, guys, we understood here. So if we want to create more than one method in same class, okay, but as per the requirement, as per the functionalities, we can differentiate. So first method, line number 12, we are writing a display method, that means it is printing something. And guys, line number 17, we are writing add method, so this method is doing some additional operation. So guys, as per the requirement, we can create more than multiple method inside the class. That is, guys, readability. That is called, guys, readability. So we can understand very easily. Suppose if you want to perform any other operation, so also you can create in this class only, and you can call in the main method or by your class name as well. Suppose your method name is what? Static. Suppose if static methods are there, guys, so directly you can call with what? Class name. Yes or no? I will explain this thing, guys, when I will what? Explain a static method. Okay, as of now I am going to give only what is method, what, and how we're going to create the method, how we're going to call the method. This thing I'm explaining here. That's why, guys, you can see here. So guys, now I can run the application in front of you. I will see result is coming or not. Okay, run as Java application. Okay, you can see here Java main Techie is printing this method when this method is calling. Good, guys. And guys, second method I have written here, add two number. Sum of two number is 30, guys. Already you have seen 10 or 20, 30. So how this method is calling, guys? So whenever if you're going to create any method, so you can call this method from our main method. So ref.add, if I call it, so this guy result is printing as per our requirement. That is, guys, what? Our readability. Correct, guys? That is our, guys, readability. Correct, guys? And also, guys, one thing. So if you written this code, guys, if you written this code, guys, so 3 lines of code, right? If you're going to call ref.add, so guys, it will reduce the what? Lines of code. Yes or no? If you're going to call this method ref.add, so not every time, guys, we need to write this logic. Correct, guys? No need to write every time this logic. That means, guys, if you're going to call ref.add method, that reduces the lines of code. Correct, guys? This is lines of code. Example of reduce the lines of code, decrease the lines of code. And guys, third is repetition. Suppose, guys, if you want to call this add method 5 times, if you want to call this add method 5 times, that means, guys, you need to call this add method 5 times. 5 times here. Okay, so copy and paste here. So, see, guys, so I have written here what? 4 times. So once if you call some method, guys, it will print result what? Whatever we have called. You can see, guys, the result coming sum of 30, 33, because we have called what? 4 times. So that's where also we can say a repetition. Okay, we no need to write every time the logic. We can call the method, it will print the result, guys. So guys, that's it, our what? Explanation or concept for this what? Method level. So what is method, how many types of method, what is the method syntax, how we are going to create the method, how we are going to call the method, what is the what purpose of method, what is the benefit of method, right? So guys, this is all about our method what? Concept in our Java. So guys, in next video I will bring what is a static method, what is non-static method. This is also very, very important concept in our Java. So guys, that's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, guys, please like, subscribe and share among in your friend circle or right. So guys, so I will get more motivated, right? Then I will bring such type of concept, guys, because I will what? Then I will understood you people are liking my video, right? And you people are supporting me. Great guy, that's it. Thank you guy. We'll meet very soon in next video. Bye bye.